We greet you all and prosperity always. So, sama para menteri, and then also our special guest is Elon Musk, and also the Starlink team. Welcome to Bali, the Paradise Island. Now you Paradise Island. Dan juga tentunya rekan-rekan media serta para undangan yang telah hadir pada present highlight the importance of having a sufficient internet connection. Dan ini tentunya tayangan yang akan menjelaskan kepada kita betapa pentingnya memiliki akses digital tentunya berupa internet yang mumpuni, yang tentunya akan bermanfaat bagi seluruh aspek kehidupan terutama di bidang kesehatan. So ladies and gentlemen, to support the better healthcare services in Indonesia, we would like to present you. This is the video. Please enjoy. Itu lebih mudah. Jadi ada notifikasi WA, kita bisa tahu untuk jadwal imunisasi berikutnya, dan juga untuk ini kita bisa download aplikasinya dan disimpan di HP juga. Dan di kelompok Maluku. So to conduct this, we would like to invite Ibu Dewi Nur Aisyah, please.
Thank you very much. Well, hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure for me to meet you today. So, in these occasions, I would like to show you some of the progress that we have made for the primary healthcare digital transformations and how the importance of the internet provisions to be available across the healthcare facilities in Indonesia. Maybe slides? So in today's occasions, I would like to tell you about the trials that we are currently doing in some of the places in Indonesia. Next slide. So here we are at the Pustu of Sumarteklo. This is a Pustu. It means the extensions of the primary healthcare at the village level. In this place, I would like to show you how we have captured the data of pregnancy ultrasound as well as immunization program. The next one we okay. So this next slide we also Pustu in Bumbungan, Pustu Bumbungan at Club Regency in Bali. There, they have internet, but it's very slow. We would like to see, like having Starlink, how is the internet connections there? The third location is in Maluku, in Kabupaten Kepulauan Aru, in Puskesmas Tabaruane. This is the most challenging one because we need to take a speedboat for around 2 up to 3 hours from the airport to the Puskesmas, and there is no internet access at all in here. So we would like to see what happened after we set up the Starlink in these 3 sites. Next one. Next slide. Okay. So inside the Pustu, I have just Ellen and the ministers about the digitalizations of the maternal and child health. The first one is we capture the pregnancy ultrasound from the healthcare facilities. Why do we need internet? Because if the healthcare facilities have access to the internet, they can send the data of the pregnancy ultrasound to the Satu Sehat platform, and the platform will send automated WhatsApp notifications to pregnant women. So every pregnant women in Indonesia will receive automated WhatsApp notifications once they have having the pregnancy ultrasound in healthcare facilities. That's one of the example. The next example, next slide please. So Indonesia has started developing electronic immunization registry starting from around 1.5 years ago. So what we did is develop a mobile data collection using Satu Sehat Indonesia, we call it ASIC. The data collected the child who have been vaccinated by name, by address. We know where they are. And the data also connected into Satu Sehat. And then the mother of the children who have been vaccinated will receive automated WhatsApp notifications, again, just from their mobile phone. So they know, congratulations, your child has been vaccinated, and we provide automated reminder as well, so the parents will not forget when the next immunizations is due. And the next one, the parents also can download the digital immunization certificate from Satu Sehat Mobile. So this is kind of one-stop application for Indonesian citizens to see the data of the healthcare services that they have already received from the healthcare facilities. This is just a rough number. From January 2023 up to today, we have collected more than 200 million of individual data who have been vaccinated. By name, by address, the data is collected at the Satu Sehat platform, and the community of Indonesian citizens can receive benefit from the data that has been collected. Again, this is highlight how the importance of internet connections as well. Okay, this is two of the use cases we would like to show you regarding the progress of primary healthcare digital transformations. Let's connect with our colleagues at the Pustu Bumbungan. Can you go to the Zoom, please? Okay, as I have told you in the beginning of these presentations, we do have some colleagues at the Pustu Bumbungan. They're using Starlink, so you can see them here. Yes, we're using Starlink as well. Yeah, that's the camera resolutions. So we have in here our colleagues at the Pustu Bumbungan at Kelungkung Regency in Bali. We have Dr. Aris Bumbungan Kelungkung. Yeah, and they have a slow internet access before. So I would like to invite Dr. Aris and Fauzia Mauli to tell me how is the progress of the internet Starlink setup there, how is the result, and one of the use case, which is we collect the data of the child under 5 measurement at the Pustu Bumbungan. Over to you, Fauzia. Still mute? Masih mute? Boleh dibantu? Okay.
Baik, terima kasih Ibu Dewi atas kesempatannya. Kami saat ini melaporkan live langsung dari Puskesmas Pembantu Bumbungan di Kabupaten Kelungkung, Bali. Di sini saya sudah didampingi oleh perwakilan dari Puskesmas Banjarangkang, Kepala Puskesmas Dr. Aris, untuk menjelaskan sedikit mengenai kondisi dari Puskesmas Pembantu Bumbungan. Kepada Dr. Aris, saya persilahkan.
Terima kasih Bu Fauzi. Jadi Pustu Bumbungan ini adalah salah satu puskesmas pembantu yang ada di Puskesmas Banjarangkang 1. Jadi di Pustu Bumbungan ini sendiri kita melayani sekitar 3.
Okay, so our colleagues in Bumbungan, there is the head of the Pustu, the head of the Puskesmas, which is
yang digunakan.
Okay, sorry, we just have a little bit disconnections. Can you repeat again? Ulangi lagi boleh Dr. Aris dari awal yang tadi diperkenalkan diri?
Oke. Jadi Puskesmas Pembantu Bumbungan jadi adalah salah satu puskesmas pembantu yang kami miliki di Puskesmas Banjarangkang 1. Jadi di sini melayani sekitar 3.627 warga yang kami layani melalui posyandu juga. Jadi ada 4 posyandu yang saat ini juga menggunakan aplikasi-aplikasi dalam pelayanannya. sebelum menggunakan Starlink, kita kecepatan internetnya itu hanya sampai 17 MB per second. Tapi setelah kita uji coba, kemarin mendapatkan kecepatan sampai 313 MB per second.
Lanjutkan boleh Mbak Fauzia?
Baik, terima kasih Bu Dewi. Untuk menunjukkan keberhasilan dari konektivitas Starlink itu sendiri, kami sudah melakukan uji coba pencatatan data bayi dan balita yang ada di wilayah Puskesmas Pembantu Bunggungan, di mana data bayi dan balita ini diinput oleh tenaga kesehatan melalui aplikasi Satu Sehat Indonesiaku. Di sini kami sudah ditemani oleh Bidan Pustu, Niputu Arini Julianti, dan Kader Posyandu Kade Ida Nuraini yang akan menunjukkan hasil dari pencatatan data bayi dan balita yang dicatat melalui aplikasi Satu Sehat Indonesiaku atau ASIK.
So I will just translate a little bit here. So this is one of the example how we conduct the data collections of the children under 5 who have been measured at Posyandu. We are using this mobile application. Okay. So it's producing the result in real time. So we can know based on the weight and the height of the children under 5. Is it normal? Do they have any malnutrition, of stunting, underweight as well? Just from the mobile applications. Oke, boleh dilanjut Mbak Fauzia, WhatsApp notifikasinya dijelaskan?
Baik, di saat yang sama, hasil penginputan dari aplikasi Sehat Indonesiaku juga akan diterima oleh masyarakat melalui notifikasi WhatsApp. Di sini kami sudah menghadirkan dua kelompok masyarakat, Ibu Luh Adi Sitawati dan Ibu Ayu Purnama Febrianti untuk menunjukkan hasil notifikasi.
Okay, so this is one of the examples of the WhatsApp notifications received by the parents of the children who have been measured at Posyandu. So basically they understand how is malnutrition status of the children. And this is the example of the dashboard. This is the dashboard that we have built to connect the data that has been collected at Posyandu. We can see the numbers that have been measured. Boleh dilanjutin lagi Mbak Fauzia, nanti aku translate lagi di akhir.